What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Day 65, I believe, and only using one account. The reason why we only using one account is because I want to emulate what beginners would make when they first start using the My Lead Gen Secrets account. So I'm just trying to emulate that somewhat, and that's how that works there. So before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links are in the description. Hit that notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so first let me talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Now the first reason is because its product is very efficient. It's a funnel builder, essentially. A funnel builder, that's not all you get, but that's the main thing you get. It's a funnel builder with no limitations to it. You can make as many pages as you want, many funnels as you want, connect them many domains as you want, just anything. Many people can look at it as you want. All the limitations, you have none. Alright guys, so to compare, for example, the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels costs $97 per month. And ClickFunnels has a ton of limitations on it. How many pages you can make, how many funnels you can make, how many people can look at your funnel, how many domains you can connect, all kinds of stuff like that, right? And even if you upgrade to $300 and get rid of some of them limitations, you still have some still. Like for example, I think you still only can make 15 domain names or something like that. The $25 business funnel doesn't have any type of limitations like that, subdomains or any issues when it comes to stuff like that. Okay, so that's the first reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Now the second reason, I think the reason that most people are very interested in promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions. That means they stay in the system. You get paid every single month for the same person, and there's really no reason for them to leave, to be honest, because it's something that you need in order to make money online in general. And this is just the best product, that's the best affiliate system for that product, which is very lucrative and easy to build an income with. All right, so anyway, after all of that, let's look at our results so far here. All right, looks like I did get sale yesterday. Let me check. Let's go and refresh the page. Okay, we refreshed the page and we did get a sale yesterday. Okay, so
Nice.
we got a sale. We got one sale, guys. This one, it's not a rebuild, but it was a 2-week trial, and the person liked it and paid the $100, the $120 something to stay in it. So technically I say we got 2 sales, but this one is from an earlier $20 sale that somebody bought. So, and this one, so we technically got 1 new person, but we got 2 sales. So we're gonna put 2 sales up there, and it come from My Lead Gen Dell. That's great, guys. We're doing well. That's really well. And we're performing exponentially, guys. It's something that I want to try to tell you guys. Also, when somebody show you results, make sure they refresh the page, because very easy to change these numbers and stuff around. Very easy to change it around. And we've been promoting the 25 all-in-one 25 business. Let me show you what I was talking about the $100 from real quick while I'm thinking about it. I want to show you what I'm talking about here. Now, when you see this page, you get to the bottom here and you can sign in, guys.
And in my first 3 days, I had 2 sales, and it was all.
Sorry about that. But anyway, you get down to the bottom here, and you get, okay, you can sign in, do all the information, pay whatever, right? Now, this is the thing right here. This is 0, and you can try for 2 weeks. If you like it, they pay the $125. That's what that $100 is from. Somebody tried it out and liked it and decided to stay in it. That's where I get that $100 from. So I just want to show you guys that to show you what I'm talking about here. Alright, so guys, we're gonna move on to my lead gen secrets here. We're gonna go ahead and click on 200 leads. Whatever this number is, leads, and we're gonna find us an email to use. Yesterday I created this email off scratch. I'm not gonna do that today. We're gonna go and just pick one. Let's see here. What was the last one? Passive income. I sent something else. Oh, my screen. I guess I could send that. Create unlimited income for life. This one ain't performing that great anymore. Trying to decide whether I should keep it or not. I don't know. I like putting a check there. I think that makes it a little more unique email. So I put them on all my emails. What I should do is just go with one of these. I want to go with this one. I like this one. This one's a really solid email page. Checks up there. Yeah. And basically the email here is like got photos and stuff, and it's a very interesting email here. You can copy the words, guys. The reason why I have these photos is because I'm in the system, so I can get these photos. But you guys, you can copy the words and it shouldn't be a big deal. I think the photos really help it, but I mean, it'll still work. Just pause it, copy it and stuff. Just copy it, pause it, copy it. I just go down it like this a little bit. You can pause it at any moment. You know, like I stated before, don't worry about the pictures. You don't need the pictures. The pictures are just accessories. You know what I mean? All right, so we're gonna send this email here. Make sure the link works. It should work. Let me check. All right, guys. So yeah. Also, the link you want to use is the all-in-one digital business here. Ooh, I almost showed the emails there. I can't show those. I can't show emails and stuff. That's private information. Plus, YouTube been kind of cracking down on that. So anyway, you want to use this link here and just put them wherever you want them to be. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hit the preview, send the email. Make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time it does. Send the email around the time people check their email, so it ends at the top of the list and they got a better chance of opening it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy to do. You just do this every morning, you make money. I'm making a lot of money doing this every morning, guys. And I think you guys would too if you get started. You know what I mean? All the links are in the description. You're interested in getting started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.